Now I would like to explain about the Python tuples. So in our previous classes we are discussing about the lists in the same way. Now I am discussing one more data structure in Python is tuple. So the tuple is also a data structure in Python which is ordered or sequential data structure. The second one is which allows the duplicate elements but which is immutable. So list is immutable. This one is immutable. So here the immutable means once we are going to create the tuple, it is not possible we are changing the elements within the tuple. So how we are going to be create the tuple? In this first part of this video, I am going to be explain how to create a tuple. We can create the tuple in Python in number of ways. One, by simply using the curly braces. Suppose I am going to write t equal to these curly braces. This is an empty tuple. This is an empty tuple. And we are also creating the tuple by using a and packing, right? We are going to be called that is a packing. That means I am going to be write t1 equal to suppose 10, 12, x 12.3 like that. Now the t1 is also a tuple. And another one is we are using the constructor tuple. We are using the tuple constructor. We are going to be change the other kind of the data elements into the tuple type. Suppose I am already has a list L1. The list has certain values 12, 13, 14. I am going to write x equal to tuple of L1. Now this L1 is converted into the tuple. So these are the different ways we are going to be creating the tuple. Here one thing we can observe carefully when you create a tuple with single element. Single element. Suppose we are going to be creating the tuple T2 equal to suppose 4 like that. It may not be considered as a tuple. The T2 is considered as a general numeric data item. There is a single element. To consider when we try to create a tuple with the single element, we are going to be place comma after the single item. Now the T2 will be considered as a tuple. Friends, I am going to be show uh, on the virtual Python interpreter the creation of the tuple. I go to the virtual interpreter. Here I type T equal to some empty tuple T equal to right this one. I write print type of T. We know that the type function will determine the data type, right? Now I run this one. So this is the class tuple. Okay friends. Now I am going to give in the single element. Suppose 4. I will run this one. I am not put a comma after the single element, right? We can observe the difference. Class int, right? There is a single element which is enclosed within a uh, braces without comma. It will be considered as a general numeric integer type. Now I keep comma here. Again I run this one. Again we are going to observe that here the output is tuple. Okay friends, now I am going to be create the tuples in multiple ways. 4 comma 12 comma 34.12 comma Razu comma Ramu comma again sorry Ramu comma again 4 comma again 12. So I print this one, print T. Okay, identify the output friends, the type of T, that is a tuple, in which order we are assigning the values for the tuple T, that is 4, 12, 34.12, Razu, Ramu, 412. So we can observe here, it allows the duplicate elements and it also prints the data in an ordered manner, in which order we are going to be given the input. Okay friends, now I am going to be create the tuple T1 as in a packed manner, right? T1 equal to 12 comma 14 comma 2.97 comma Razu. Okay friends, now I run this one, right? Line number 2, sorry, here I am going to give in T1 and but here I type the T, so that is the problem. I will change this one, right? So please observe that T1 as a tuple and the elements also printed in a given order. Okay friends, this is the another way we are going to be creating the tuple. Now I am going to be how to convert the list into the tuple by using the list constructor, the tuple constructor L equal to 12 comma 3.47 comma XYZ. Okay, print type of L. Now I am going to write X equal to tuple of L. Now print type of X and print X. Okay friends, what I am writing I show to you. I am creating a list and I check the data type of the list, and by using the tuple constructor I will try to uh, convert the list into the tuple that will be stored in X, and I will check the type of X and I print the values. Please, and type of L is the list, and when I create X equal to tuple, the type of X is a tuple and I print the elements within the tuple. Those are printed in the same order. Okay friends, I hope that you can understand how to create the tuple. Here I create the tuple in 3 different ways. Okay, right. Thank you. Otherwise we are also be creating in another way. I will show that one also, right? By using the double curly braces also. Suppose T equal to 12 comma 4 comma 56 comma ABC, right? Print, sorry, type of T and print T. We will also observe this one also, right? We are going to be creating the tuple also like that by using the double parenthesis. Okay friends, I hope you can understand this video. Thank you.